Hey, Mike Foster here. It's another Mike Eats the Street. You guys ready for this one? Well, you saw the intro. You know where I'm going. Going to Del Taco. I think they're better than Taco Bell. They're out here on the West Coast. One of the biggest things they do different than Taco Bell is they serve French fries. And my wife loves them, so I'm going to get some of those. But I'm going to sample some tacos at Del Taco. Mike Eats the Street. Here's the Del Taco. Well, not too many people in line. Let's see what they got over here. Quick combos.
Thank you for choosing Del Taco. Can I get fresh for you today?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing all right.
I'm gonna one grilled chicken taco,
Okay.
2 Del Tacos crunchy,
Okay.
1 beer battered fish taco
Your bad fish taco. Okay.
with a 1 large fry. And can I get a combo burrito?
One large fry and a combo burrito. Okay.
Yep, that's it, buddy.
So I've got 1 chicken soft taco, 2 Del Tacos, 1 fish taco, 1 large fry, and 1 combo burrito.
That's it. Thank you, man.
So it's gonna come out to $17.90.
All right, thanks.
No problem.
All right, we got the tacos. Ooh, we got the French fries. Let's check. Ooh, look at these. Now these fries are pretty good for a taco place. Let me just try one. They're really hot. Oh, very potatoey. That's a thumbs up. What else have we got? This is the Del Taco Classic. This is where they got the name from. It's a basic taco. It's got your tomatoes, it's got your cheese, it's got that ground beef. We'll just put a little mild sauce on this baby. Let me dress this up, take a big bite for you. Here's Mike Eats the Street, Del Taco. Let's try it. Got that lettuce, tomato for freshness. The beef is savory. And that cheese is a little salsa and a nice crunchy tortilla. I got other stuff that I'm gonna eat later, but this should give you an idea. You know, it's Del Taco. I mean, it's not a steakhouse, but Mike Eats the Street, I give it an 8 or 9. It's worth trying, and the fries are great, and so's the tacos. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365, my YouTube channel, and keep living life 365. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Put it out here. Let's see, where's the Del Taco? There's Sprouts. I'm gonna try that. That's kind of neat. Take a look at it. Now, what I really do is I put a French fry on top. I take a bite like this. Oh no. Sweet Babbo, what have I done? No napkins? What are we, barbarians? Where the hell are the napkins?